Good evening, friends. The next topic is detector response time. Okay, the response time of photodiode together with its output circuit depends mainly on three factors: the transist time of the photocarrier in the depletion region, the diffusion time of the photocarriers generated outside the depletion region, the RC time constant of the photodiode and its associated circuit. Photodiode parameters are responsible for three factors: absorption coefficient alpha x, depletion region width W, photodiode junction, and package capacitance, the amplifier capacitance, the detector load resistance, the amplifier input resistance, and photodiode series resistance. The transist time depletion region, the transist time TD is equal to W by VD. W is equal to depletion region width and VD is equal to carrier drift velocity. And the diffusion time RT can be described by rise time and fall time can be described by rise time and fall time 10 to 90% and 90 to 10%. Okay, rise time is 10 to 90%, fall time is 90 to 10%. Next, the detector response time. The detector response time, so high to low to height increased and low to medium it can be constant and again it decreases. Okay, fall time, the response time of photodiode that is not fully depleted, the response from fast carriers and the response from slow carriers, percentage of total output time nanoseconds. Next, detector response time. To achieve a high quantum efficiency, the depletion width must be much larger than 1 by alpha s. Okay, 1 by 1 by alpha s, that is the rectangular input pulse, and the small b figure indicates the with the slight w is far greater than 1 by alpha s, small cg. Next, c figure indicates large cg and again slow components and fast components and the diffusion components. The photodiode pulse response under various detector parameters. Structures for indium gallium arsenic APDS. To improve the performance, complex device architectures, separate absorption, multiplication, SAM configuration, different materials in absorption and multiplication region, particular function. Okay, different materials in absorption and multiplication region, particular function. Structures of indium gallium arsenic APDs. Okay, INP substrate, larger energy band gap, longer width length, photons pass through it. Indium gallium arsenic absorption layer photocarriers, indium phosphorus, multiplication region, high electric field, need for gain mechanism. So SAM, so what is SAM? Adding other layers. Okay, grading layers. AM increases response time and bandwidth. Charge layer, better control of electric field. So better control of electric field. SAM, adding other layers. Grading layers, A to M, increases response time and bandwidth. Charge layer, better control of electric field. Resonant cavities, high quantum efficiency at higher quantum efficiencies and wide bandwidths. Next, another structure, superlattice structure, multiplication region, 250 nanometers to 13 layers of nanometer thickness, indium, aluminum, gallium, arsenic. The quantum wells separated by 12 nanometer thick indium, aluminum, arsenic barrier layers. Improve speed and sensitivity, long distance systems. Avalanche multiplication noise. So, what are avalanche multiplication noise? The avalanche process is statistical in nature since not every photon generated carrier pair undergoes the same multiplication. Okay, since not every photo generated carrier pair undergoes the same multiplication. If m denotes the statistically varying, then m square is equal to capital M square, where that symbol indicates ensemble average. Okay, that symbol both lesser than and greater than commonly indicates an ensemble average. So next, where x varies between 0 and 1 depending on the photodiode material and structure. Next, the variation of the electron excess noise factor Fe as a function of the electron gain for various values of effective rate ratio. The graph is between the excess noise factor and the gain. Okay, so how when increasing the gain, how the noise factor is increasing. Okay, from the empirical relationship of the mean square gain given by F is equal to mx. Temperature effect on avalanche gain. Okay, temperature effect on avalanche gain. The mechanisms of avalanche photodiode is very temperature sensitive because the temperature depends on the electron and hole ionization rates. Temperature dependence is particularly critical at high bias voltage, and if temperature changes, it causes large variation in gain. So the temperature dependent expression is given as m is equal to 1 minus 1 by 1 minus v by vb whole power n. Breakdown voltage vb in terms of temperature is vb of t is equal to vb of t naught into 1 plus 1